Good morning, children. Very good morning. These days, simply you are playing in home. From today onwards, no playing, no naughtiness, okay? Just you see my video and write in classwork what I am teaching on the board. Understood? And homework will send through WhatsApp like PDF file. Just you see with the help of your parents and write in homework and classwork. Understood? And listen carefully how I am teaching, okay? Write date, day, everything you should write. Mention the chapter name and subject also, okay? And make one classwork and one homework, 2 notebook, okay? So for 3rd standard, I am taking class for 3rd standard students, maths subject. Which subject? Maths subject for 3rd standard. We are referring the book, Bittle book. See. We are referring the book Bittle, page number 80, chapter 1, review exercise. Review exercise means last year what you studied, that only it is, just will revise. Okay. First what it is, complete the series. First is complete the series. Complete the series. See how means? What is that first? 32, 33, 34. Like this we should write 40. You know the according numbers. You know how to write the numbers 1 to 100. Okay. 51, 52. 53, 59. C. Next you see, 67, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. You know how to write this? Read the numbers from 1 to 100. See, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Serial wise. Okay. Next 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Serial wise you should write the numbers, okay? 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Understood now? How to write the numbers? Complete the series means according to serial wise you should write the numbers 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You should write the missing numbers here. Understood? Okay. Another two you do in your classwork notebook, okay? D and E, page number 80. Do yourself, okay? Second main, what it is? Second main, fill up the blanks. Up the blanks. First one. What is it first one? The greatest 2-digit number. The greatest 2-digit numbers. Greatest 2-digit number is? Which is the greatest 2-digit number? Tell me. The greatest 2-digit number, which is the biggest, greatest 2-digit number? 99. This is the highest 2-digit number, the greatest 2-digit number. Okay. The least 3-digit number. The least 3-digit number is, least means smaller, least means lowest, which is the least 3-digit number. 3-digit number is 100. Okay. Next, third one. What it is? The greatest 2-digit number. The greatest 2-digit number. 2-digit number formed using the digit 7 and 9 is. Means the greatest 2-digit number formed using the digit 7 and 9. We have to take 7 and 9 number. In that only we should make the biggest number. How? See here, 7, 9 they give 2-digit number, right? In that only we have to find the greatest number. Which is a greatest number? 2-digit number is greatest, 97. Okay. Next, what it is? The number after fourth one. The number after 899 is. The number after 899 is. 899 is. After 899, 900. 899 after number is 900. Okay. Fifth one. What is the fifth one? The greatest 3-digit number. The greatest 3-digit number. See here, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. Here the greatest 3-digit number is 999. 999. Understood? Next, what is that sixth one? 100 more than, what it is? 100 more than 376 is dash. 100 more than 100 means 376 plus 100. We should add more means, see, 376 plus 100 because it is more. They wrote here more than. Then we have to add here 674. Okay. 100 more than 376 is 476. Less than means we have to subtract. Here they wrote 100 more than 376 is 476. Okay. Next. Write in classwork neatly, okay? Seventh one. 100 less than 728. 100 less than 728 is 728. 100. Here they wrote more than means we should add. Here less than 728 minus 100. Minus 100. Less than means you have to subtract here. 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So answer is 628. Less than means we should subtract. Less than 728. 100 less than 728. So we have to minus here. Okay. Next, 8th. 50 is divided by 50 divided by 1 is 50 divided by 1 is 50 divided by 1. 50 divided by 1. How we are doing? 1, see, 1 5 is a 5, 1 0 is a 0. So answer is 0 0. 50 divided by 1 is answer is 50. Understood? This you should write in classwork, okay? Write neatly, write exactly date, day and subject and what I am writing. Heading, chapter name, all you should write. Okay? This is about second main. Next we move for third main. See, third main. Page number 81. I will show you only 2 examples. Afterwards you only write, okay? Okay. What it is? Write the number described in each box. Write the number described in each box. Write the number described in each box. Then use the answer to solve the riddle. See, first A. What it is? 600, 6 tens, 2 ones. B. What it is B? 484. 400, 8 tens, 4 ones. Next C. What is C? 700, 100, 2 tens, 3 ones. They wrote like this, right? Here write the number. Write the number means 600, 6 tens, 2 ones. How you are writing this? 600. First we have to write ones place here. Ones place 2. Next tens place. Last 100 place means 662. 662. First we have to write ones place, tens place, 100 place. Same we have to write like this. See, first 400, 8 tens, 4 ones. First we will write ones. Okay, ones number is 4, tens number 8, hundreds number is 4. 484. Like this you should write. Here same 700, 2 tens, 3 ones. How you are writing? First you take ones side. First 3, 2 tens means we have to take 2 is in a tens place, 3 is in a ones place, 2 is in a tens place, 7 is in a 100 place. Okay, this example I am showing here just to write down in classwork page number 81. Page number 81. Do yourself in classwork, okay? Understood? And they gave your name C, I, E. They given name in the box. That names is there, no? You should write upside. Then you will get the name as chocolate cookies. Okay. Here I wrote here page number 81. See down. Next we move for page number 82. Solve the problem. Circle the letter beside greatest number. Next we move to solve the problem. Solve the problem. Page number 82. Solve the problem. Circle the letter beside the greatest number in each row. These use the row number and circle letter to solve the riddle. See what we have to do. First solve the problem means we have to minus. First we have to minus here. See always minus and plus both mix are there. First one I will show you. 400 40096 minus. See here, this is a minus sign, subtraction. This is a minus sign, not addition. Minus means we have to subtract here. Okay, 0 minus 6. No, we can't subtract, no. then we have to take borrow from here 1. Okay, here. See, from 1 will come here and this 1 will come here, joins 10. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. Say 10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many are there? 10 minus 6. 10 balls are there. In that we have to minus 6. We should remove 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balls left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Here, then what we have to write next? Here 0 is there. We have to carry from here. Again this comes this side, means 9. Is it? 9 minus 9? 0. Here how much left here? Because we took 4 is there, we took 1 from here and that 1 comes here. So here answer will come, 1 we took this side, means answer is 3. Because no number here. So same as 3. Why we wrote 3 means 4 number, in this 4 number we took 1 this side. We took 1 this side. Okay, for that sake answer is 304. So next number 444, 123. See, next 444, 1, 2, 3. This is a addition, plus addition, we should add here. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Addition you know already. 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 1, 567. Okay, page number 82 also homework. Homework means write in classwork. 82. Write in classwork. Okay, write in classwork. Understood? Next, we move to I think already this is the completion of the lesson. First review exercise is already completed. Page number 82. Write in classwork neatly. Page number 82. Okay. Page number 82. Write in classwork. Okay. Up to this, complete the chapter. Next lesson we'll teach tomorrow, and today this is the end of the chapter, and write neatly in classwork. One day I will give a time for you that come and show to your teachers. Okay. Thank you.